Let's check out one of the coolest helping hands kits that I've seen. This is by NOEVSBIG. I guess that's how you pronounce it. So an instruction sheet, got some clips and thumb screws, more clips and thumb screws, some magnetic helping hands arms and base, a magnifying light on a magnetic base, magnetic base vise, articulated arm, the metal base, and a clamp for the articulating arm. So you've got about an 1/8 inch thick steel base, nice and heavy, and then some rubber feet with 3M tape. Put one in each corner so it'll elevate it off the table and keep it from sliding. I'm not going to put the feet on it at this moment. I just want to demonstrate how the plate works. And then it comes with this adjustable vise, very heavy duty magnet on it. You can loosen the wing nut and adjust that wherever you need it for positioning. And then of course it's got the regular vise teeth, some rubber grips in there to protect your items. You can position whatever it is you're working on in the vise, holds it nice and secure. And then it comes with 2 extra sets of the rubber padding that goes into the vise here. So that ought to last you quite a while if you melt them or something like that while you're trying to solder something. And you've got this articulating arm that magnetizes to the table. You can loosen this up and put it in whatever position you need. And then it also has a clamp that you can put onto that and then adjust that however you need for whatever it is you're working on. That's nice and real handy. It comes with this magnetic base magnifier with light. You can adjust that however you want it. Pretty good magnification on the magnifying glass. And then a control panel on the cord with the USB plug, on and off buttons. Let's turn this so you can see the light. And you've got the temperature adjustment, warm to cold, looks like 3 or 4 different settings there. Then you've got intensity, so make it a little bit dimmer or brighter. Looks like that's the highest that it goes. So that's real handy for working on whatever project you're working on. Help you to see your circuit boards and that sort of thing if you're soldering on this. The light also comes with an adapter that you can use to plug into a regular 110 volt wall outlet if that's what you're closest to on your workbench or something. So that's handy as well. Now this is where it gets its name, the helping hands. It's got 4 of these articulating arms. You can bend them into whatever position you desire. And then it has a magnetic base. And they gave 2 packages, each with 5 clips to go on the end of each articulating arm. So you just push into the clip into the end of the arm, and then it has a thumb screw that will retain it and hold it in whatever position you desire. And then that way you can, whatever you're working on, wiring or whatever you're working on will clip right in there and it'll hold that in position. And if you got something heavier, you can add more clips. It comes with 4. And that holds it quite firm wherever you need it to be to work on it. It has 4 of these little magnetic stands. It's got a little pin on the end of it. And then some other design here with a groove for holding your circuit boards. If you had a circuit board with a hole in it, you could position it like this, or in this case, just put it in that little groove down there and hold your circuitry like that, and then you can solder on it or work on it right on that board with those magnetic holders. Real handy. So there's an initial look at the NOEVSBIG 4-in-1 Magnetic Helping Hands kit. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll link product in the description if you're interested. But this is one of the nicest magnetic or helping hands kits I've ever come across. And I think for a lot of DIY projects and home use type things, this will really be a real nice, helpful tool in your shop and on your workbench.